What are we doing?
Forever.
What's happening right now?
You're buying a house.
We are writing an offer on a house. Are you sending it?
I'm sending it.
Send it.
Since I had to wait for you to record it.
I want this moment forever. Did it go?
It's gone.
Yay! Tell him, Andrew. Where are we moving to? Kaya, we're moving! She doesn't even care! Kaya, you're gonna have a backyard. Are you so excited? She doesn't care. Are you so excited? You're gonna have your own backyard. We have a key. We just closed in the house. Yay!
Down here. Jesus.
Whose house is this? Ah, I can't shut the door. Whose house is this, Andrew? It's our house.
Let's see what you're doing here. Can you break ground or are you having trouble there? Need help? That's kind of breaking ground. Well,
Tell them about what their names are.
Tony and Barbara.
Tony and I think Barbara.
Just sweet as pie.
They've been married for 70 years.
Showed us their whole family.
They brought us in and showed us their entire family tree.
Oh, here's where the water is.
And they're the cutest neighbors ever. They're so sweet. So this is going to be our new drive home over the bridge. You guys, this is literally gonna be my drive home every day. I am so happy I could stinking cry. Like, it's so pretty. Like, oh hey, here's my new neighbors. Yeah, right. I wish, but still excited to be here. You're gonna invite me over for your next barbecue. I'd love to be there.
Kaya's first time checking out the backyard. Kaya, do you like it? The kitchen looks great. Those shoes I bought you also look great. This is my new house. Yay! Andrew ripped out all the floors in one day. Getting rough. Yes. All of our landscaping's getting delivered.
Pretty dirty.
Look at your legs.
There you go. They're hard at work. What's up?
You just go right back to working. Look at you go! This music is so perfect. To know if this was a 5x7 was the same size. So I haven't shown you guys like anything finished, but check out this kitchen. I'm so obsessed. This love. So the cleaners just left. They cleaned all the floors and everything before we moved in. That's our TV up there. It's just covered from work. That bathroom's still being finished. Ooh, here's the oven. Excited. I knew I was gonna do this at some point. Oh my God, I'm just like, I'm starting to move things in and it just like hit me. I've literally wanted to live where we're living since I was a little girl, and I didn't think it was gonna happen this soon. And I'm just sitting here and it's like actually starting to like feel like this is gonna be our home. I'm so excited. Andrew, are you excited? We're moving. Heading over with the movers. So I have to tell you guys, because I think this is fucking hilarious, like what kind of omen is it that literally the night before we're moving in, there was a fucking tornado like right by our new house. Like literally a worker was there still finishing up some stuff, and he texted Andrew and was like, dude, you got branches down everywhere. Your whole house was rumbling and shaking, like straight up tornado. Yeah. Yep, they weren't joking. Holy. First dinner in the new house.
It's a tragedy.
One ranch.
Kaya's first dinner in the new house.
Hey guys, so I literally have this propped up on bananas right now because I feel like I haven't talked much in this vlog, mainly just because we've been so busy the past 2 days. And we have been here since, well, we've been here for Wednesday, it's now Friday. I scheduled a bridal trial for 2 days after we moved in, so I just did my first trial here. And Andrew's working today, so I feel like this is the first time I've actually been able to kind of like chill. I'm making a salad right now. I'm shredding some chicken. So this is the first time I've actually been able to like chill and like fully enjoy our house. And so I can't believe this is ours. I feel very mixed like emotions. I feel like this isn't home yet. And I also am like, I can't believe we have this nice of a place. It's a very weird feeling to feel. I've never lived somewhere like this before. It's amazing. So it's totally raining, ignore that, but this is my new running horse. And I couldn't be more fucking excited about it. So pretty. Y'all, I'm about to be like running marathons. Not fucking really, but it's so beautiful to run here. All right, y'all, so as you can see, our living room's pretty set up. Let me turn so you could see it. So cute. But if you guys listen to the podcast, you know I had some woo-woo spiritual stuff happen. So I am actually, for the first time ever, about to sage our new house. And I also bought this sweetgrass, which you're supposed to burn to bring in more positive vibes. I've never done this before. It smells so good though. So I'm really excited to do this and cleanse our new house of any bad energy and bring in all this good, sweet energy at the same time. And so I didn't film it, but I just saged the whole house. I got this pretty dish at my local place. I also got a palm reading while I was there, which was pretty cool. And then now I'm gonna burn some sweetgrass. This is supposed to help bring in positive, good energy and smells so good. So round 2 is sweetgrassing.
Hairs.
Wait, come back.
Get out of the kitchen. Look how
Oh,
shiny
I can't
my
zoom in on this
forehead
way.
is. Good, you can.
We're making pork chops. We still don't have a backsplash. Oh, are you flexing? I see a little nip.
Where?
Y'all, this is my new running path. I run on the water here. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. Oh my God, this is literally the best running path I've ever had. I love running by the water. So while I'm heating up my dinner, I thought I'd give you guys the tour so far. This is my front door entryway area. Obsessed with this. I'll link anything I can. This is all Kirkland's. I'll link it in the description bar on YouTube. This is my old couch. Dog toys. Target bench. There's Kai. There's Kai. Kirkland's picture. This is my favorite little corner, and I hate how Andrew leaves water bottles everywhere. Little corner. I think it's so fucking cozy. We're getting a gas fireplace insert for in there. Our fireplace goes through to the dining room. My little faux fur beanbag. Table. Our kitchen is not finished yet. We still need a backsplash. I'm making myself dinner, ignore that. But we have this amazing, huge kitchen. Honestly, if you guys watch my Insta stories, you probably remember me Insta storying this kitchen and being like, yes, y'all. We have a huge backyard, sliding door. Here is our mantle in the dining room area. We're still finishing touching. This area is nowhere near done. This is our dining room space. We're gonna wall mount that TV. We're getting a new table, just ignore that. So we have hallway. This is all storage, amazing. We gutted this bathroom like down to nothing and redid the whole thing. We did these marble floors, vanity. I'm in my pajamas. But yeah, and then they did our entire shower from scratch. Oh, I love it. We have like a dimmer. It's a jacuzzi tub with jets and this cute little cutout thing. Yes. So far, this is a spare bedroom, AKA future nursery, so I don't want to do anything with it. No, I'm not pregnant, but I'm just thinking for the future. This is our master bedroom. So we have our TV and everything, blah, blah, blah. We have our little nightstands with our lamps. Those are from Target. I love that sign. And then this is actually the first picture Andrew and I ever took together. And I got it made for a canvas wall hanging for our 1-year anniversary. And then he actually got me that little coordinate thing on the bottom for Christmas, which is Bar Harbor, Maine, which if you don't know our love story, you should know it already. We fell in love in Maine. And then just some shit over here. My bed's not made. There's some decorative pillows, some laundry, some closets. The bed is not made. Ignore that. And then this is my favorite room by far. So still figuring things out. Let me close this closet. But this is my home office / makeup room. All my stuff for YouTube, all my makeup stuff, this rug, I'm living for it. And the best part, this is my closet. I get this whole mirror thing. I love it. There's all our awards for 24 Lux up there, and the money shot, this gorgeous chandelier that I demanded having because I needed it in my life in here. Hey guys, it's Sarah here. So I realized as I was filming YouTube videos today that I never filmed an outro for this video. So here we are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today and a sneak peek into the process of moving into our first home together. It's been such an exciting thing. It's been so cool. There's been so many new things that I've never had to do before being in a home. As you guys saw in the video, we're not completely done with everything yet, but I was so eager to get this out because I've been sitting on these clips for months and I wanted to show them to you guys and share this part of our lives and our journey with you. So I'm sure there will be another video coming at some point when we are actually done redecorating everything and done furnishing and everything like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing part of our home so far. Go ahead and leave me some comments down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more vlogs, more of our behind the scenes life. I know you guys see a lot of me on Instagram and very like edited, like professional books and podcasts and all this stuff, but I always think it's kind of fun to give you guys a peek behind the scenes as well. Make sure you guys subscribe if you are not subscribed yet so you do not miss anything else on my channel in the future. I have my face on the screen here per usual. If you click it, you'll be subscribed to my channel, and I will also have some other videos popping up for you guys to check out as well. But I think that is all I have to say to end this video out. So until next time, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.